Now, marami akong nakitang comment dito, naghahanap sila ng update kay yung Jovelyn case. Ano yung last name ni Jovelyn?
Galliano po.
Yeah, yung Galliano case natin. Kanina napag-usapan namin ng staff, no, and I was comparing it to our other cases. Yung Galliano case natin ngayon, medyo marami akong buhol na na-observe. First of all, yung status ng kalansay na nahanap. I have handled similar cases sa programa and sa private practice ko ng missing persons and paghahanap ng bangkay, no, ng mga tao nawawala. And it's very curious to me na yung period na nawala siya, let's say she died on the first day. So around about 20 plus days, bangkay na siya. She died on the first day she was missing, so let's
August
presume
5.
that she was dead now for 25 days. 25 days kang patay, exposed to sunlight, exposed sa tubig, exposed sa animals. I don't think yung state of decay ng katawan niya matches yung timeline. In short, ang bilis naman naging dry bones nung nahanap. No, it might be a possibility na may hayop na nakakuha sa kanya and because of that naubos yung laman and dry bones na ang resulta. But still, we have to check for teeth marks sa bone. Kasi hindi masistrip ng animal yung laman ng buto unless yung ngipin niya tumama sa buto. So we should have to still check for teeth marks. Bakit ko ito nasasabi lahat? Ba't ako nag-update tungkol sa buto? Kasi bumalik ang isang test, no? And it shows nga na may match, DNA match kay Jovelyn Galliano. Ako, I don't think we should close it just like that. Hindi naman po siya 100%, no? I still think we should get a second opinion. Kaya nga ngayon, inutusan ni Senator Idol Rafi ang NBI to do a secondary check on the DNA, di ba? I have doubts as to the result na si Jovelyn Galliano nga talaga yung nahanap, nakatawan, knowing that it was 500 meters from the house ni Jovelyn. One, dapat na amoy. Second, dapat nakita. 500 meters is kitang-kita regardless kung
Super
nasaan ka.
lapit lang yan.
Sobrang lapit lang ng 500
Sa
meters po.
residential area pa.
And tama, nasa residential area, high traffic. I find it highly dubious na buto niya na nga yun. It's a shame na ganito yung nangyari investigation that we dragged it out for so long, that the police have dragged it out for so long. Pero I really have doubts as to the veracity of the data presented sa akin kasi nga the period does not match up. Period of decay ng katawan, months yan eh. Like I said, I have handled cases for this program where yung katawan nga ng bata natapon na sa ilog and identifiable pa rin by the features of the face, by the features of the body na yung bata yon. Dito naman, it would seem na parang galing nga, sabi nga ni Donna kanina, parang galing sa museum. Di ba? It's dry bones, parang nahukay lang sa nicho and then nilagay doon to close the investigation prematurely. Anyway, ayoko masyadong bigay ng spoilers dahil i-discuss to ni Idol, I think on Thursday, pag lumabas na NBI results. And I would leave this case to his best discretion. Ganito kabigat na kaso must be handled by the head of this program, which is si Idol Rafi Tulfo. But my simple opinion is this, sa mga netizens natin naghahanap ng update, I don't think that those are the bones of Jovelyn Galliano. I think we should retest. And kung yung retest, bumalik na si Jovelyn ngayon, okay, I withdraw my opinion, di ba? I made a mistake, edi siya ngayon. Congratulations, case closed. Pero until that, I want to entertain every possibility that she's still alive. Maybe she's being kept, kaya nagpapalabas ng katawan para hindi nahanapin. That's a possibility. In a lot of kidnapping cases, magpapalabas ka ng false body para matapos yung hanap. And that way, you can keep the person indefinitely. Di ba? Baka ganun yung nangyari dito. Let's see. Mahirap paniwalaan sa akin. 25 days missing, buto na lalabas. I doubt. Unless tinunaw siya. Muriatic acid, possible. Pero it should show sa bone. Anyway, abangan niyo yan sa Thursday. Keep watching, please.
Sa Thursday po, si Idol Rafi po magbibigay ng update sa ating lahat. Okay. And, pwede ko bang sabihin yan, yung nasa prompter?
Ano yan?
Okay.
Hindi, sa Thursday na yun.
Sa Thursday na lang.
Oo, sa Thursday
kasi
na
may
yun.
mga,
Again,
may update na talaga tayo, netizens, pero mas maganda talaga si Idol. Ang,
Yeah, let's wait for him.
mag-a-announce
Kahit ako
niya.
hindi ko alam. But I
Okay.
don't want to preempt anything na baka gawin ni Idol.
Yes.
I just gave my opinion sa case. And, di ba? Bahala kayo. Lahat tayo may opinion.